Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Nigerian and Entertainment. Here's another one. As Nigerian couple breaks internet with their gigantic wedding cake that is twice their height. A Nigerian couple made history on their wedding day with a gigantic and extravagant wedding cake which has ever been seen. The incredibly designed cake was so huge that it made the couple look small behind it. The wedding cake, which has been trending online, stole the show during the wedding ceremony as many wanted to take pictures of it. And words have it that it might be the biggest cake ever seen in Nigeria in recent time. And of course, it is most likely to cost a fortune. Guys, please, was this even necessary? Is cake an important part of the wedding? Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section.